Hey, Elf, want to play cards? Okay.
Hey, Elf, which card do you want to choose?
I don't know. Can I look through your card lot?
Sure can, buddy.
This is very hard to choose. I think I'll choose.
Dun 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 dun.
The Charizard Hollow card?
Yep, you say what card are you going to choose?
Okay, I'll choose.
Okay, let's go!
Okay, I go first. 120 damage to you.
Wow, that really damaged my card. But look at how much damage this one does. 200 damage to you.
Dude, you eliminated my card!
Haha, I win. Woohoo!
Okay, you win. I'm gonna get your prize.
Oh, goody. I can't wait to see what it is.
Guys, we're gonna play a trick on him and give him a gun. I'm gonna shoot him. Guys, I was lucky enough, and now he's sleeping. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Okay, guys, he's still asleep. Now I put him in this place, and now I'm going to shoot him. It's not shooting. Ah, hope you enjoyed your prize. Hope you enjoyed your prize. And I'm gonna get my real prize, and I'm gonna go celebrate with a bunch of cousins.
Woohoo! I'm such a good prankster.
Guys, he just pranked me again. Time to bring in the guns. Guys, he's going way too fast and I can't catch up that fast. I'm gonna have to use a car. I think I'll take this one. Okay, we're catching up. Just gotta go a little bit faster. Guys, he's behind that corner. Let's go get him.
Okay, guys, I'm about to call my friends. Let's go. Wait, I felt something. What?
Miss me? Oh my goodness, that gun is so powerful. It hurt me. Now I gotta get a new gun.
Come back here.
Whoa, that was a close one. Ow, not the butt. This thing looks very cool. Let's get it. I don't think he knows the word "don't mess the elf." Eat some payback. Let's get this guy to a secret place. Let's doors. Piece of cake.
Well, thanks for watching another video of Elf's Payback. I hope you're starting to enjoy the series. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And that will make you get more videos. And then if you want to be the first one to comment my video, press the bell next to the subscribe button or whatever it is. So, see you later. I'm out.